Okay. Let's get her done. Let's get her done. Too small. Alrighty. I like seeing stuff like this. What are the chances? What are the chances? What are the chances that price bounced off of yesterday's anchored view app from the open? Right? Like, I obviously anything could be a coincidence, but dude, I truly loathe MT4. It's the worst. I don't know why it's still kicking. Why can't they just pick another platform? Alright. I do want that one. Let's see what's going on. Nice. This morning tested into yesterday's previous day high. Dude, that's good resistance. Okay, let's just quickly see if there's anything obvious we want to note out. Oh, it's a little bit messy, eh? I mean, not really for now. Like, I can see everything. Yeah, there. We got all these different... Like, I could start drawing lines here and here and here, but I can see it. Cool. Nice push off the view up. Right here. But it's red. I don't usually like red. Like if I'm gonna go long, right? Let's do an account update. How's the account doing? We're up almost 2%, and we've done a payout, right? So I took out 7%. 7% last week. No, I didn't make 7% last week, but I took my 7% payout. And we reset it back down to 6,000. Went and do a small drawdown. Came back. We're up 2%, and we'll see what happens today. These are nice. Even the wicks up here, I'm telling you, wicks, like, I'm a fan of wicks. Now this one, that is ugly. Look at this. Look at these wicks. And then it comes up and then just smashes. That's too bad. Oh. And it was at the previous day high. Oh man, I'm sorry for the chaps who took that. I would have took it too. You know what would be sick is one more 1 minute tapping into the anchor view app and then nice wick off of it. I'm in. Gonna see how this looks if I split the screen. Okay, but I would want... There's a way to make the bottom look just like the top. Alright, so this is beautiful, that 5-minute rejecting the VWAP. However, we're coming up into this mess. Ooh, it's also a 5-minute opening range breakout. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yep. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's awesome. Definitely conflicted, not gonna lie. The confliction is rejection off VWAP, beautiful. Opening 5-minute range breakout, beautiful. Coming up to this area, not beautiful. Super torn. I mean, I'm already in it, but see what happens off this VWAP. Get a little push. You know I don't like doing this, but if it comes back to break even, I might get out. I'm in this transition right now in my trading where I have a few systematic trading strategies that are incredible because they're systematic, but I'm starting to discover, I think, some better approaches, and I want to trade those better approaches. What's a guy to do? Okay, but then if this thing closes, dude, look at the respecting the VWAP on that. It doesn't negate that this is still here. All right, the reality is I gotta see how this 5-minute candle closes before I make a call. It's respecting the VWAP real nice, but I have to get through all of this resistance in order to hit my profit, I think. Yeah. I forgot how to make this bigger. What the heck? What the heck? It won't let me go. Freaking MT4. I'm gonna close this down. Dude. Yeah. If it'll bring me back. Yeah, I will get out. This is... Yeah, I just don't like it. Straight up. Go look at some back testing. Gotta keep yourself busy. I just don't like this trade. I shouldn't have got in it. It's not just because it's in a drawdown. Yes, of course, when it's in a drawdown. It is respecting VWAP. I don't like what it's coming into right now. You can't deny that. It's not ideal. Yeah, I feel good about getting out of that. Listen, I'm telling you on camera, if anybody watches this in the future, this may come back to be a winner. I'm just not into that. I want this to apply to the entire layout. Oh, see, how do I get rid of these buttons and stuff? Frick. Yeah, too much crap on the chart. Where's the logo? Titles? No, well, titles are good. Values, there you go. That's cleaned it up a little bit. I want to see what this would look like if I did a like a 1 minute and a 5 minute. Oh yeah, that's the setting I want to turn off. Oh, there is news. Didn't even need to tell. So, I do want to see if my opening range breakout won. It looks like it might have. I decided to get out. That's okay. Although I didn't get in right there, did I? I don't think so. Let's go check our back testing right now. So, if we stayed in that position, we would have won. That's okay. That's okay. We're coming into this. Like, I just... It's not ideal, bro. Oh, the opening range breakout. Oh yeah, my face is always in the way, but I don't know where to put this thing. Let's see how it did in the last. Get the freak out. Look at April. Holy crap, up 6%. If you stayed in the trade I just took. What about March? Or I guess it's the first day of March. 7%. You're up 14% for March and April. I gotta reconsider some things here. 5% in February. Oh, right. Something's. You're down 2% in December, and November wasn't good. 23%. I gotta reevaluate. Ooh, I do like what's going on in the 1 minute. You see this? I won't take a single. I will not take a single 1 minute kind of support resistance, but I like these wicks up here. Let's see if we can close without a big bottom wick. If it pushes up, obviously, we have no interest. Yeah, it's nice. Right into yesterday's previous high. It's beauty. It can lose. Of course it can lose. They can all lose, man. And I could have done a tighter stop, but it's nice. So we got 60 and 60. And I think I've set it to break even at 0.90. Okay, well, at the very minimum, let's close this one down. Yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, if that closes like that. I'm gonna do one more scalp. Don't hate me. That's beautiful, the way it's reacting off there. Let's go like this. Yeah, it's just a small little position, but... And that one, I'll go break even real quick. Yeah, I'll let that one go break even. I don't know which... Oh, this is the 6 one. Once this breaks the low... I want it to break the low, and then I'll go break even. Yeah. I'll go break even on that one. Oh, I think it did it automatically. Once it goes 0.9R, I'd like the other one to get to break even. I'm not supposed to watch the trade. Bad habits. There's no point in watching this trade. I'm getting excited right now. I want to see the win. You know. Also probably reacting to these wicks down here. Let's call it a day. I don't normally do that. I'm not going to lie. Since I've had a live account, I want to protect capital more. So I don't want to watch it rebound. I'm up. I want to cash out, bro. I'm up almost 3%. I want to cash out. I don't even know if this made it. Let's see. So I'm up on this screen now. I got in after I saw that third wick. Instead of going, oh, I did the higher stop. I don't know if it would have even hit yet. It's not to say it won't. And could I have done tighter stop? Yeah, but it almost stopped out. And then here's the kicker. I hit my daily profit because I jumped into that second scalp. So anyways, we're done for the day, of course. 1000%. See you later. Not bad, guys. Not bad. It's nice. Should we do the math? This probably drives you guys nuts. I always do this, but this is the way my brain is genuinely thinking. Okay, we're up $181. We just cashed out 7%. Remember, 7%. I'm going to open up a 200K account soon. $14,000. Right now, we got a dinky little $180. Oh, yeah, divided into, so it's about 3%. 3% times 200K, we already know the math on that, but let's just see it. $6,000. You stop right now and you're up $6,000. You're waiting for your payout. It's massive. If you can just survive in trading and get 1 to 2% payouts a month, like on a big count, you'll do great. Okay, that's my pitch. Yeah, I do these pitches when I win. That's right. When I lose, a little harder to do these pump ups. Okay,